breathtaking planet that has supported life for billions of years. But it can be a challenging and cruel home. From the beginning, creatures have had to be tough to survive. Mass extinctions wiped out entire species. From supervolcanoes to an asteroid apocalypse. From megafloods to a frozen planet strangled by darkness. With every disaster, there was suffering. But each time, life returned even stronger. Witness the heart and the hope of our planet. Travel back in time to see how life fights back and wins.
Surviving Earth, June 11th, followed by the Americas on NBC and Peacock.